Hi, this is Upahar Biswas, a fashion photographer and a creative director. Today, we are here to talk about high-key fashion photography in collaboration with Aries X. So the starkness of the high-key lighting is an absolute favorite amongst our fashion photographers. And the best part is, it's damn easy to achieve. So let's get started. The first step is to ensure that the backdrop is perfectly exposed. And here we are using two white bounce umbrellas. Come, let's take some photos. Please come. Using a giant modifier like the Rotodome 150, we can add a punchy, contrasty light to the image. Now, what you've all been waiting for, my light setup for a perfect high-key portrait is done. Come, let's take some photos. Wow, I think we have some great shots of the shoot today, and I'd like to thank you, Katrina, for being a part of the shoot. And if you want to know more about the products used in this video, please check out the links in the description below. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video.
Made to light.